Hello students, myself Karishma Datta from Saraswat International Academy. I am going to teach to standard 6th English medium, subject social science, chapter number 2, maths, part 3. Okay students, so we have seen in part 1 and part 2 about map, and the map have three components, that is scale, conventional sign and direction. So in the next part, that is that is part 2, it was explained to you about, and with the pictures it was shown that what are conventional signs, how direction can be seen, and even the scale can be seen. Okay, so we'll see over here with this today's topic. You have observed the scale of a map. By using a scale, you show the distance between your school and the huge water tank. Okay, in the next, that is the video which was sent to you, that is part 2 video. In that it was said to you, like from your home to your shop, a shop down to your home, right? At there, how much distance do it cover? Like 1 kilometer is 100 meters, right? So if 100 meters is this much, so how much kilometer far away you are from your shop, that can be known. And another one thing you can do here, that is school and the huge water tank. So you are not there in the school, so what you need to do, if you are living in a building or you are living at a home, your own house, right? Over there, the water tank, all must be having a water tank, right? So what you need to do today, your activity is house from your house to the water tank, how much kilometer it is far away, like you need to do that. So take as 1 kilometer as how much meter, that is 100 meters, and the activity you need to do, that is from your house to the water tank, right? How much distance you are far away, that you need to do it. Next, if you are able to show this, you can similarly show the distance between your village or town and the district headquarter or taluka headquarter. For this, you use a string scale or a paper. Okay, string means that tape is coming of lengthening a particular thing, na, that you can do it. Okay, so if you are able to, अगर आप अपने घर से लेके वाटर टैंक जो है आपका, वहाँ से वहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस अगर फाइंड कर सकते हैं, तो इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू फाइंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन योर विलेज और टाउन. अगर आप गांव में रहते हैं, टाउन तक कितना है डिस्टेंस, वो फाइंड कर सकते हैं. Then the district headquarters, even the headquarters of taluka, easily the distance can be found by you. You can use any paper, you can use a scale, or you can use a string. It's up to you. Okay, so this activity you need to do it. From your house to the water tank कितना distance है, 1 किलोमीटर 10 मीटर ऐसा लो, तो कितना किलोमीटर हुआ वो आपको ढूंढना है. ठीक है. Okay students, you might have seen these signs somewhere. Draw below other signs from your surrounding. Okay, you must have seen this sign, you must have seen the sign of flag, you must have seen the sign of telephone, must have seen the sign of that mosque, and you must even see a sign of Om. These you can see where in the temples, the phone sign you can see wherever the telephone booth are there. Over there you can see the telephone sign. This is a sign of a church, right? This is a sign of a flag on the temple, right? So it shows very easily, like there is a temple, or there is a telephone booth, or there is a mosque, or there is a temple, or there is a church over there. So now what you need to do, आपके घर के सराउंडिंग में आपको कौन सी साइन देखने को मिलती है अलग, इनसे दिस 5 साइन नॉट, इसके अलावा कौन सी अलग साइंस देखने को मिलती है, दैट यू नीड टू ड्रॉ इट ओवर ईयर. ओके, यू ऑल मस्ट बी हैविंग द टेक्स्ट बुक. सबके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है, टेक्स्ट बुक में आपको क्या करना है, यू नीड टू ड्रॉ दिस ओवर देयर. ओके, एंड व्हेन यू विल कमिंग फॉर द स्कूल, आई विल बी चेकिंग दैट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, देन स्टूडेंट्स, over here, find out the following conventional sign in your map in school with the help of the social science teacher. Okay, now what you need to do as a social science teacher, I need to show you something, right? So see this over here. You can see items and you can see that is a conventional sign and draw the same. Okay, for mountain, if you want to know where is a mountain, so which sign has been put? This sign has been put. So what you need to do, students, in the test book, the same sign you need to draw this like this. Draw the same sign. Okay, अगर top there is a conventional sign for top is this. River के लिए कौन सा sign है? Like this is sign of a river. Okay, for road which sign is there? This sign is there. For railway which sign is there? This sign is there. For post office के लिए कौन सा sign है? That is PO. Then for direction of a map, map के लिए कौन सा sign है? देखो, like this arrow and like this, right? This is sign of a map. Then border of a district, so this sign are there. So you need to draw it. Okay students, you need to draw in your test book. So the sign, conventional sign, कौन से sign use की जाती है mountains के लिए, railway के लिए, right? That easily आपको you can recognize it. For that reason, same students you need to do over here also, right? So you can see that there is a state border, for state border which sign is there, then international border, then scale के लिए कौन से sign है, you can see this. Okay, convention, capital of nation, उसके लिए अलग sign है. This is the capital, that means Delhi is the capital of India, right? For that reason, if you see in the map, that this sign will be seen. Capital of a state, like Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. So Gandhinagar में, if you see in the map, so this symbol if you see, that means Gandhinagar is the head capital of the state. Then the headquarter of district. Agar district headquarter, if you want to see, the conventional sign is this. Okay, wherever you see this sign, that means there is a district headquarter. For city, the sign is this. And for police station, the sign is PS. Same thing you need to draw it over here. Okay student, यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? You need to draw the signs. So it will also be a practice for you and you will able to easily now come to know wherever you see this sign, जहाँ पे भी ये sign देखने को मिलेगी, तो you will understand it very clearly that what is this sign belong to and what is there over there. Next, you know that there are so many sites which may be natural or man-made. There are some sites like which are, some are natural, जो naturally बने हैं. Man-made means which are been made by men. You have seen that. If you want to show these features in map, you must use some specific colors, shade, sketches, conventional sign and lines. Okay, what they're saying that if you want to show this natural and man-made things on map, तो what you need to do, you need to do something different like हर एक चीज़ को अलग तरीके से, like differently you need to show it on the map. Like you need to show the shades by specific colors से उसको दिखाओ, या तो कोई sketch करके दिखाओ, या तो कोई अलग अलग conventional signs you need to do that. Okay, or line. These conventional signs gives us a lot of information within the limits of the map. Okay, these conventional sign क्या कर रही है, हम help करते हैं, they are helping us within the limit of the map. A map within limit of a map only, it shows us everything. With them, we can not only draw the map very easily but understand it also, right? With the conventional sign, we cannot even understand the map, but it is very easy for us to even know the map and even to understand the map. You might have heard that foreigners are able to travel in our country by using a map, even though they do not know our language and location and local direction. Okay, ये बहुत बार हमने देखा, like there are, India is a historical country and different type of things or things can be seen over here. Okay, so people from foreign countries come to India, they all come to India, and all are from different countries like Italy, France, Australia, from Europe, like अलग अलग countries से people हमारे country में आ रहे हैं, and they are not knowing our languages, they are not at all knowing our languages, but still they are able to travel from one place to another from India. In India, they easily able to travel from one place to another. And what is the reason like they are able to travel? It is because of map. है ना. मैप की वजह से वो इजीली एक जगह दूसरी जगह पे इंडिया में क्या कर सकते हैं, दे कैन ट्रैवल. And they're saying they can travel. So what they're saying over here, so map do not know any language, okay, do not know any language and or any local direction. Map is for all, right? It's for all, even not knowing any language and anything, it helps. So thus we can say that the language of a map is common across country, right? जो map की जो language है, it is very much easy because conventional sign और different symbols के वजह से, right? Because of that reason people can move from one place to another very easily. So map do not need a language, it's common for all the people, not only for our country but even for the people across the country. These signs or symbols, which are well known and understood by everyone, are also known as conventional sign. The signs or symbols which can be well known or under, कोई भी उसको समझ सकता है, that are said to be as what? That are said to be as conventional signs. So student, one video now I'm going to show you, and in that video now you will be very easily come to know, it's about traffic rule. You will very easily come to know that different types of conventional signs or symbol, what do it indicates. Okay, after this there's a video, and after that video we will see to it.
Stopped my dad and asked to pay fine. My dad paid the fine, but I'm not sure why he did so. Your dad must have broken a traffic rule. A traffic rule? What is it? Traffic rules are the rules implied by the government of a country for the safety of the people on the road. Traffic rules help people to drive in a disciplined manner. Please, could you tell me more about traffic rules? Sure, why not? To learn about traffic rules, let us go out. The most important part of the traffic rules is the traffic light. Traffic light guides people when to stop or slow down or proceed their vehicles. The traffic light consists of 3 colors. Red means stop. Green means go. And yellow means slow down your vehicle. Also, there is a signal for people crossing the road. Red man sign on the signal means stop. Green man sign on the signal means go. Now, let us walk towards the school. What does that 20 signboard indicate? That's a speed limit board. It says 20. That means the vehicles should maintain a speed of 20 kilometers per hour while driving. What does that horn and capital P sign with a strike and a sign indicate? That horn sign with a strike indicates that you should not honk unless it is necessary. Also, capital P sign with a strike indicates that you should not park your vehicle near the school. While the school sign indicates that the driver should watch carefully and drive slowly as there is a school nearby. Oh, now I get it. Why there are no vehicles parked besides my school? Vehicles are parked only where there is a capital P signboard. You should park properly at the given space, or else traffic police will impose a fine. I don't understand why that capital U sign is inverted. That's a sign to indicate that you can take. If there is a strike on it, it indicates you should not take a U-turn. Oh, I get it. What are those lines and the line next to it meant for? That's a good question, Jimmy. It is a zebra crossing. When the signal turns green for walking, people walk on it to get on the other side of the road, and the line before it indicates that the vehicles should be stopped before the line. Some more traffic rules.
Okay students, so now we have seen you have seen the video. Okay, so it must be very clear to you like what are conventional sign and what even you need to do when you see the traffic signal, right? Now it will be easy, like if red light, orange light or green light comes in the traffic, right? So it will be very easy for you to see it and do it in a proper manner. Now students, will go on with the colors. Colors used in a map give the map a good look and also provide defined information. Different colors are used to indicate specific features. Okay, colored used in a map give a map a good look and also provide defined information. Different colors are used to indicate specific features. They are used to indicate what? That is specific features. For example, black indicates man-made features like building, road, railway, lines, etc. If a black color can be seen more, that is, it is man-made, that is building, road, railway lines, etc. Then, what do blue indicates? Water bodies like sea, ocean, lakes, reservoirs, well, canals, etc. What do blue indicates in the map? Water bodies like sea, ocean, lake, reservoirs, well, canal, etc. While green indicates mountain and hills. What do green indicates? Mountain and hills. And yellow indicates what? That is plain, the plain area. Yellow color, right? It indicates what? That is the plain area. So student, now it is very much clear to you that is what is scale in the map been, why the scale in the map has been seen, why the direction in the map has been seen, why the conventional sign you see at different places, what do that indicate, right? So now it's very much clear to you about it. So we end with a chapter explanation over here, and the next part what is going to come, that is theory will be given to you. Okay.